Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Apex Legends. While trying to play the game, you got the error, the client failed, and anti-cheat runtime integrity check, connection timeout. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Let's start with the basic troubleshooting steps. First of all, you need to open the directory of the game, which is available in C drive, program files, EA games, Apex. This is the directory if you have downloaded the game using the EA Play. However, if you are using Steam, simply browse the files by going to the properties of the game. Over here, open anti-cheat folder and you will find Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup. Just right click on it and choose the option Run as Administrator. Once you have done so, close it. Now go ahead, launch the Apex Legends and try to play the game to fix out the issue of client failed and anti-cheat runtime integrity check. If this method failed to work out, I recommend to use Steam while playing the game. If you are using Epic Games or EA Play, I recommend do not play the game using those clients and use the Steam. If you have not installed the game, simply head over to the store, search for the Apex Legends, go ahead, install it in your library and then play the game to fix out the issue of Easy Anti-Cheat failed runtime integrity check. If using the Steam doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the third step. In third step, if you have installed REWASD, make sure you stop this particular program. For example, in my system tray, it is currently running, so I'll go ahead and exit it. Hit the yes button. Now right click on taskbar and choose option Task Manager. In Processes tab also, press the R key to find any REWASD service. If it is available, make sure you stop right from here also. Seems there is no service available right in this. Now in this left pane, click on the Services tab. Here also you need to find REWASD service. If it is available, again make sure you right click on it and choose the option Stop. After doing so, go ahead, relaunch the game to fix out the issue of client failed and anti-cheat runtime integrity check. However, if all these methods doesn't help you fix out the issue, you need to completely uninstall this software. To do so, head over to your browser. Over here, simply type in Revo Uninstaller. I'll share the link of this software in the description of this video. Simply open the link and save this software into your PC. Launch the program. What you need to do is to unzip the folder inside the program. Once done, open Revo Installer, right click on U-port and choose the option Run as Administrator. Now here find your REWASD program. Here it is. Click on it and choose the option Uninstall. Click on the option Continue. Choose any of the option and click on the option Submit. Check mark both the files and click on the option Uninstall. Now once it is uninstalled, simply close it. Do not restart. First of all, close it and let this software scan for the remaining registries by clicking on the option Moderate and click on the option Scan. Now select all and hit Delete. Select all and delete. This way the software is completely removed from your PC. Once it is completely removed, go ahead and make sure to restart your PC, and after restarting, relaunch the Apex Legends, and this will completely fix out the issue of client failed and anti-cheat runtime integrity check. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.